video, we're talking about supplements that you should be taking daily to stay healthy. In a perfect world, we don't take any supplements, we can just get everything we need from the food we eat. But here's the problem. Number one, how farming is done nowadays is monoculture farming. So what happens is, due to mass farming operations, farmers are planting the same crops over and over and over again on the same soil. And what this does is it depletes the soil of the essential vitamins and minerals that the plants need to grow healthfully. When the plants don't have these nutrients needed to have a strong immune system, they're going to be much more susceptible to being eaten alive by bugs. So then farmers are needing to increase their use of pesticide and herbicide use. So we're getting food that doesn't have as many nutrients, and number two, higher levels of pesticide and herbicide residue. That's why it's important to eat organic whenever possible. And they still use pesticides and herbicides with organic, but it is less. So this is why I like to take supplements. You can get therapeutic doses when you're taking supplements. I find it to just be really beneficial for your health. Keep in mind, this is not health advice, this is just my opinion, and it's for educational purposes only. First supplement that I believe you should be taking daily to stay healthy is magnesium. So magnesium is needed for over 300 different biochemical processes within the body. It's a very common deficiency. So some dietary sources of magnesium are leafy greens, almonds, cacao. You can sit in an Epsom salt bath, you're gonna get some magnesium that way, but it's really easy and inexpensive to take a high quality magnesium supplement. Now there are many different forms of magnesium and they all have different benefits, so it's nice to take a mix of the different ones. I personally like to take magnesium threonate. It's great for your brain. You take it before bed. I like this one. It's Life Extension NeuroMag. It says on the bottle, enhances memory and cognitive function. This is great. This is personally the one I take, is TriMag by Da Vinci. This is taurate, glycinate, and malate. Glycinate is great for relaxing your muscles. Magnesium taurate is great for heart health and relaxing the nervous system. Magnesium malate is good for energy production at the cellular level. Magnesium is also important for proper liver detoxification. I mean, there's like 300 different processes that magnesium is vitally needed for. So that's why I like to take magnesium. So these are the ones I take. There are lots of different magnesium supplements on the market. You definitely want to make sure that you're taking high quality supplements. You know, low quality supplements are not good for you. So do your investigation on the brands that you choose. All right, next, digestive support. There's a large percentage of the population that has digestive dysfunction, right? Leaky gut. Digestive support can be really helpful. Low stomach acid is really common, and with low stomach acid, this can make digesting and absorbing minerals and protein very difficult, right? So this can cause mineral deficiencies. What I recommend is, if you're having any kind of a digestive problem, then try supplementing with digestive enzymes and betaine hydrochloride, which is going to be stomach acid support for boosting stomach acid for a period of time. This can be really helpful. Also, a good quality probiotic. I think this is vital. I think it's important for everyone to take a really high quality probiotic every day. There's so many different factors in our environment that really can wreak havoc on this healthy balance of intestinal flora, whether that is drinking chlorinated tap water or consuming conventional animal products that contain antibiotic residue. Stress. There's even just like breathing in chemicals, being on our screens late at night. All of these things can kind of throw off the balance of healthy bacteria in our gut, and our immune system relies on this delicate balance of healthy bacteria. So by feeding our gut healthy bacteria every day, this is going to help support this healthy balance. So my favorite probiotic is P3OM by Bioptimizers. This is a really powerful product. It's definitely active and strong. It actually holds a US patent and is proven to be antifungal, antiviral, antiretroviral, antibacterial. It's really a powerhouse of a probiotic. It's shelf stable, so you don't have to keep it in the fridge. The trouble with probiotics that need to stay in the fridge is sometimes during transport, if there's some inconsistencies with the temperature that it's being held in, it can become inactive, right? And then you're taking something that doesn't work. I've probably tried 40 different probiotics strains in my life, and I find this one to be the most powerful. So highly recommended, and I will link that in the description below. Next is minerals. Here's the thing. Minerals are really important cofactors for different chemical reactions in the body. So we need lots of minerals. We need minerals to help the body detoxify. There's so many different functions that the body needs minerals for. So I believe that it's really important to supplement with a really good quality mineral supplement. Especially if you are on a low carb diet, you definitely want to be taking minerals because your body is going to be flushing out sodium and minerals a lot faster than if you're not on a low carb diet. So some of my favorites are, this is an ionic magnesium concentrate from, the source is the Great Salt Lake in Utah. It's from the company called Earthshift. I'll put a link to that below. I put this in all of my water, and honestly, it makes the water taste delicious. I don't know if it's just me, but I love this stuff. Yeah, or if you can find a liquid mineral supplement and the source is Australian ocean water, that's also excellent. What I also like about this is it's not in chloride form. If you get a mineral supplement that tastes weird, tastes bad, then it's likely in chloride form. This is great. But I think the all-time best quality one is this Quinton isotonic mineral supplement. It comes in these little glass ampules, and this can actually be injected. So like injected into the bloodstream. So that's how pure it is. This is a bit more of a hassle, obviously, to use, but this is an excellent product. That's the Quinton isotonic seawater electrolytes. And then also, so these are ocean minerals, and then there's also land minerals or fulvic acid-based minerals. So Bioptimizers makes an excellent fulvic acid-based land mineral supplement. So this is called Primergen, 74 minerals and a fulvic acid base. This is also a great product. It's a liquid, so it's super bioavailable. And I like to take both. I like to take the fulvic acid and also the ocean minerals. So I like my minerals. And another supplement is liposomal vitamin C. Vitamin C is an amazing antioxidant, and if you're taking it in liposomal form, it's going to be a lot more bioavailable. This is a great one. This is the Dr. Mercola brand. Vitamin C is a really important antioxidant. We want to be getting in as many antioxidants as possible because we are exposed to a lot of oxidation on a daily basis, and it's just also a function of just healthy metabolism. With oxidants, what happens is when we have oxidants in our body, it can kind of destabilize other cells. How can I kind of simplify this? Where it's going to steal electrons from other cells that and make them unstable, and then the cell can die. Whereas if you have antioxidants floating around, then they have extra electrons that will restabilize the cell, right? So we want to be having as many antioxidants as possible. So we can get them through supplements. We can get that through eating lots of fruits and vegetables and just healthy whole foods. So wherever we can get antioxidants, that's a great thing. And vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, a good quality liposomal vitamin C. And last but not least, I wanted to talk about these two supplements because I have had really incredible results taking these over the last year. And that is ubiquinol and PQQ. And basically what these supplements do is they support mitochondrial production. So we have trillions of cells inside of our body, and inside every cell is a mitochondria, and this is the energy producer of the cell. This is like the engine of the cell. Since every single cell has a mitochondria, don't you think it's important for us to support the mitochondria with nutrients that are really supportive to mitochondrial health and new mitochondrial production? That's what this ubiquinol and PQQ does. Ubiquinol is just the more bioavailable form of CoQ10. And then so this PQQ actually promotes mitochondrial biogenesis, so the creation of new mitochondria. So I have really noticed a big improvement in my health since I've started taking these. I mean, this is not essential, but yeah, I've had really great results with this. I really like these. And these are both the Gero Formulas brand. So yeah, These are my essentials that I like to take on a daily basis. Of course, you're not gonna die if you don't take these. So if you are interested in experiencing super health, these are some of the supplements that I love to take and that I have personally had incredible experiences with. So thank you so much for watching. In this video, we talked about the supplements you should be taking to stay healthy. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. I love you guys and I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.